Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to permanently install Iosgods on iPhone or iPad. So first of all, open the Safari browser inside your iPad or iPhone, and once you go to the Safari browser, just search Iosgods. Let me just search it, press go, and you will see the website Iosgods. Either you want to add this one or the second one, which is iosappsgods.com. Make sure to select the website that you want to add or permanently install inside the iPhone. Just open it. And once you open it, make sure they're asking to sign in or sign up. So make sure that you sign in with your account because that is important. And now as you can see, everything is listed inside this. So make sure to sign in with Google or Chrome or the X or whatever you want to use. Just sign in. And once you sign in, just click on this share button, which is in the bottom section of the screen. In the center, just click on this share button and scroll down and scroll it. And you will see this option called add to home page or home screen. Just click on add. And they will see Iosgods. Just make sure to write down the name, click on add, and now as you can see, it has been added like that inside my iPhone. Now if I cut it or close it from my Chrome browser or from Safari, let's close it, and now as you can see, if I open it, so it will directly open Iosgods inside my mobile phone without going into the Chrome or any other browser. So but make sure that you log in with your account first, and once you do it, so that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.